Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're going to spice up your holiday spread with a couple festive and delicious salsa recipes. For our first recipe, start with 1 rough chopped sweet apple, 1/2 medium red onion, 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro, the fresh juice of 1 lime, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now kick it up with about 1 ounce of our habanero and grilled pineapple sauce. Give that a good twist in your blender, add 1 more finely diced apple, and refrigerate until serving. The next recipe starts with 12 ounces of fresh cranberries, then 1 chopped jalapeno, 1 minced shallot, 1/4 cup chopped green onion, 1/4 cup cilantro, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped mint, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 cup apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of honey, fresh juice from 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste. Then kick it up with 2 ounces of our chili jalapeno sauce. Now blend till combined and simmer this on the stove for about 10 minutes to soften it up. Now back in the blender until smooth, then allow it to cool in the refrigerator until it's time to serve. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember till next time to kick up all your recipes with the king of flavor. And we'll see you on the next one.